Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video today. It's going to be on the Rakuten Amex credit card backed by Imprint. Now, this card is a new card. If you're familiar with Rakuten, they've been around a lot of years. It's a platform that partner with other stores, online stores, physical stores that you could go into, like again, Bloomingdale, Ultra Beauty, Macy's, Targets, PetSmart, and Best Buy, and plenty of more. You could join Rakuten. You go right to their website. It's free. It's no charge. Go ahead, create an account, and you can start earning back cash rewards. Easy. They pay out quarterly, so it'll be 4 times a year. They will be sending it to your checking account, or if you want to get it through your PayPal, they will send the money there, whatever it may be, which is really good. Now, this is a pre-approval credit card, so out the gate, that's a plus. I would definitely have to say right here, as you see right here. Let me highlight this, because if I don't, people will be in the comments right here. See if you're approved before any impact on your credit score, which is really good. Now, this has no annual fee. You might be asking what kind of credit score you might need. You're gonna need at least, people on the low end, listen to me clearly, at least a 650 credit score to even be considered, right? The thing I don't like about this new credit card, I would have to say, from me doing my studies, is that, let me highlight this so you can see that real quick, right? Get a $100 bonus when you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days on your Rakuten card. Now, out the gate, I'll have to say, for me, people, that's horrible. You know, you got to come with at least $250 on $1,000 spend, I will have to say. So out the gate, I would say right here is a black eye for me. Now, we all know I got over 35 plus credit cards, personal and business. I am not applying for no more credit cards. I had a subscriber ask me on my overview on this credit card, and will I be applying for this new credit card? Absolutely no, people. I'm not. I'm over that. We're not doing that, right? So you're gonna get that 4% extra cash back on top of that when you do purchases. Now, I will have to say, the thing that's really catchy and a great marketing when it comes to this credit card, that this 10%, right, on dining. Now, you're going to get 10 points back for every dollar you spend when you go out to eat. You take your lady out, you take your husband out, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it may be. If you know, it's people out there. I got friends that go out 5 days a week, they spending money. You could get some great cash back for that, I will have to say, with this credit card. 2% back on groceries and restaurants, and 1% back on everything else. Pretty basic, like a lot of other credit cards. So again, please don't have your credit bureaus locked, because you'll automatically get denied. I had another question, somebody asking if they get this credit card and they are approved, right? Do that mean that they are part of the American Express family? No. The Amex logos, that's an imprint with them that they partner up. You will not automatically think that, now I could go and apply for American Express Gold, a blue card, or a platinum card, and I could get that with no inquiry and stuff like that. No, that's not how they work. They're just using the imprint. They partner up. I think it's pretty decent. I think this card overall is pretty basic. Again, no annual fees. You know how I feel about annual fees. But go ahead, take your chance if you want to apply for this card. Again, overall, with me just going through it and doing the data and approval, the dining is probably where you're going to win. You're going to get a lot of reward points. And again, once you do that, you're going to get those, you're going to get them rewards. You're going to get them points. You're going to get paid out every 90 days. You could really, really gain some cash back by using this card. And again, if you're thinking about signing up for Rakuten, you go ahead, it's free. And check out the different stores they got. They got a couple here, but they got a lot of other stores. I know people like using the online store and stuff like that. I know everybody's using Amazon and stuff like that, but there's a lot of other people that are using these online stores, or if you go into a physical stores and anything you purchase, you got a 90 days coverage with Rakuten, so you don't have to worry about that. You receive anything in the mail, you got damage, anything broken and stuff like that, you'll get fully repaid for that and stuff like that. So now if you interested in moving forward, right, again, you need that 650 credit score. This is a pre-approval. Don't have any of your credit bureaus locked, because you'll automatically get denied, right? So you're gonna click right here to apply. They're gonna tell you to link your Google, or if your email, password, whatever it may be, and then they'll take you to here at this point. Once you go right here, you'll see right here, English, whatever language you are. You're gonna put your mobile phone number, because they will be sending you a link that you will have to hit. They have to verify who you are at the end of the day. You'll put your last 4 digits again, and again, it shows you it won't be an impact to your credit score. And right there, you'll be able to see your offer, and at that point, you can decide if you want to move forward in applying for this credit card. So out the gate with the data that I have for this credit card, if I go 0 to 10, I will have to say it's between a 5 and a 6. Now that's just my personal opinion. It might be things on this list that might benefit you, that you're shooting for, that you're looking for. Again, this cash back on that dining might be, like I said, is really catchy for me. If I was applying for this credit card, I probably would just be applying for just for that, because I could really start gaining some rewards backs, which is really good, and only gaining that $100 after spending $1,000. Pretty low on that side, but again, hey, I'm not the owner of this. I'm just giving you the information. I'm giving you the data so you can make your decision and you can move forward with Rakuten. Go ahead and set up your free Rakuten site. You know what I mean? Go ahead, go right there, set up your profile, and go see other stores that might be in your location, depending on the state you are. Different rates and different rewards you're going to get back, and this is up to you, man. So if you have this card, comments and tell me what you think. Now, if you still want me to help you on your personal credit or business credit, you can book a call on my website, Whoiskingshawn.com. If you're in the phase of fixing your personal credit, I got the free ebook on my website, Whoiskingshawn.com. I'm not charging you. It's free. Go right on my website. You download it. It got all the letters for the collection, charge-offs, lates, how to build your personal credit. I got the full breakdown on that on my website in that ebook that you could get. And if you're trying to build your business credit as well, I got a free ebook for you to show you step by step how to build your business credit. Again, people, I want to see you win. I want to see y'all get to the next level. But again, it starts with you. Peace.